My RTC program has had virtual signals on its layout window for several years now. You can see here is my layout with virtual 3 light signals guarding each block. I was always interested in signals and how they worked. I found a lot of information from Bruce Chubb. He did several articles on how signals work back in the 90s. I think it was the 90s. So I implemented his scheme, and virtually it worked pretty well. I could watch the signals on my layout window changing from red to green to yellow and so on as the trains went from block to block. But I think I needed something better, and that is some real signals on my layout. So I had a chance to do that this year. One of my train buddies, Mike Hewett, designed for 3D printing a 3-light signal. It comes, of course, it gets printed in pieces, and when you put all the pieces together and you put 3 LEDs in it, a red, green, and a yellow LED, you have yourself a signal. I took 2 of them, I connected them to 8266, ESP8266, which communicates via Wi-Fi with my RTC program. My layout's broken into 14 blocks, which required a lot of signals because each block entrance needed 2 signals, each block exit needed 2 signals. So I built up 15 of these pairs of signals for a total of 30 signals. I have them mostly sitting here on a workbench, not on my layout quite yet, but getting ready to start to test them actually on my layout. My layout now, what I've done is I've added a couple signals so that we can actually show you how it works as the train goes by. So I've powered on the layout. The WTIU just came on. All the signals powered up. They all power up with all the lights on, and as the 8266s go through their booting and logging onto the Wi-Fi, the LEDs turn off until you get to the point where all the LEDs are green, and that says that they're ready to go.